Okay, here we are. I'll be back. I'm back, whatever. This morning I've got one of my grandsons with me. So if you hear somebody talking in the background, that's who it is.
Hello.
He likes to do this too, so we're going to have a fun day of practicing and experimenting with each other, and probably go to Lowe's and buy some more canvases today, and I'm out of some paint. So anyway, this is fun to experiment. I think the next thing I'm going to try to do is a galaxy pour. Haven't done that either. So anyway, here we go. Let's do my puddle and see what happens. All right, I think I'm getting done here. All right. I don't know if that's enough, too much. Not a very big canvas. I think it's like about a 16 by 20, so. Okay, now the idea is to flip it, I guess. I'm using this as a flipper, which is my old smear around. So, let's see what happens. Now I'm going to be really dangerous. Oh, let's see. Let's try another one. Do one over here. Okay, that was crazy. Let's see. Oops, it almost went on the floor. Okay. Let's do a little torch in here. I see a huge bubble. Another one. Okay. Now, whoops, another bubble. Since this is a practice never before done, I'm going to try some crazy stuff. This is one of those attachments that comes with a hair dryer. I guess if you're a girl, you know what the heck you use these for. How about one more? Okay, that was fun. Let me get rid of some of the splatters here, maybe. All right. I'm going to look at this for a second, and I'll be back. Stand by. Okay. I just can't stand it when I don't use the mini blower. So I'm going to try the mini blower and give it a little bit of activity and see what we come up with. All right. That's one thing about this style is you can just keep seeing things to do and just keep having fun. So, still not done. I am going to try to put some dots on it. The question is, what color do I want to use? I think we need some brights. Let's see how this works. All right, that's one color. Oop, maybe I'll put some up here. Okay, anywhere else? Oh, I see a place. Maybe I need to finish this off down here. There you go. Okay, there's that one. How about some pretty blue? Hold on, here we go. Let's put some up here. Hey, we're having some fun today. What do you think? You gonna try one of these, Noah?
Probably.
There's one thing about painting, you can do it your way. Nobody can say, hey, that doesn't look right. It does help to have a steady hand, though. Okay. I'm not sure what else I want to do. Okay, this is, oh, that's Payne's Gray. Let me try a little Payne's Gray and do a little something. All right. I tell you what, I'll stop this because I'm just going to fiddle, and there's no use you boring yourself to death. I'll come back for a final one when I'm done. So stand by. All right, there you go. This was fun. I think ninja swipes are fun. You can do all kinds of crazy stuff and nobody ever know what you started out with or what you ended up with. Anyway, I added a lot of little goofy things, Tinkerbell stuff, and I think I'm going to call this good. So this was Richard B. saying thanks for watching. I'll do a close-up here and we'll call this good for the day. I'll be back with another adventure. Thanks for watching. Okay, here's a close-up. Yeah, these are fun. Kind of like little fantasy paintings, I guess. And you can do a lot of stuff with number 2 pencil or other kind of crazy tools, whatever you can come up with. Imagination is what it's all about, folks. So, yeah, I can't hardly wait to try another one with some different colors. Anyway, this is Richard saying thanks for watching.